Hey, welcome back to Cool Cuts Art, and let's draw another spray, and this time it's gonna be the X mark. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this X, and it's actually a little bit tricky, so let's start out by drawing just almost like a V. Okay, so that's gonna be one part, and then from here we're gonna come down, just kind of draw the same line that you drew earlier right there. And then for this one, we're gonna kind of continue this line here. We're gonna start and just kind of go all the way down. So we're just drawing one arm of the X. And now we're gonna come over here on this side. We're gonna draw another line, and it's gonna be a little bit wider here. And then we're gonna come down, and we can just kind of continue with this line. So from here, we're gonna go out, and then this one will just kind of go out all the way down. Okay, so just like one big X, and it's gonna be fatter on this side, and then it's skinnier on this side. And then from here, it gets a little bit easier. So let's start drawing in the ends. So we just come out, and then we're just gonna go up. Same slant as this. And then we'll just connect that with a slight curve. Okay, so that's gonna be one. Right here, we're gonna extend it out as well. Go outward. And then we're just gonna close it off with a little bit of curve. Okay, so let's go to this one, and this one we're gonna just kind of come out a little bit so it's a little bit more slanted. Come down. Close it off. And then on this one, it's just one side, so it's like a little hook. And then we're gonna come down pretty far, same kind of curve as this, and then we'll just close it off. Okay, so it's a little bit tricky. So now let's put in the little three-dimensional sides. So right here, we're just gonna extend it. So you can just kind of extend these two lines, and then we'll just close it. And then this one we'll just start here, and then we'll just come down. Okay, so let's draw the other one. This one we're just gonna extend it again. And then we'll just draw the same curve. And then this one we're gonna draw this side first. We're gonna extend it. Close it. And then right here, extend it same line as that. And then I'm gonna close it. And then up here, I'm just gonna start here and just kind of curve it. So same curve as that. Okay, and then let's see, we got one more here. So we're just gonna extend this and then close it. And then this one, you just kind of extend it down. Okay, so then from here, let's see, there's some drippings on the letter. So this one's easy, we're just gonna draw that. One more curve coming down. And this one here, so start at the tip. Draw a little teardrop in here as well. Let's see, and then one more down here. And then one bigger one up here, down here. Okay, so it's just all you have to do is just color in that black, and that should look pretty good. So for the wall itself, it's gonna be pretty much the same as the other ones. So you can start out, let's just start out with this one here. Just gonna draw a line all the way across. Gonna come up. And then I'm just gonna go all the way across. So I'm just drawing a long rectangle, and it's gonna be right behind the X. Okay, so once you have the first one, now just come in a little bit. And we're gonna draw another rectangle all the way across. So this one's gonna extend out more. Okay, and then from here, all we're doing is just alternating. So now we're gonna draw the longer one here. So we're gonna extend it all the way to here. We'll just close that off. And then same thing down here. I'm just gonna extend this line. Across. Okay, and then one more. Actually looks pretty good without this wall stuff too, so you might not have to draw all these bricks. Okay, and then down and for the last one, we'll just draw one. Go all the way up, extend this one, come across. This one's gonna end on this one. Let's go one more. Stop here. Okay, I'm just gonna end it right here. So I'm just gonna draw one single brick. Okay, and then to make the bricks kind of on the three-dimensional side, so again, we're just gonna come to the corner. You can just draw 3 lines exactly the same, and then all you have to do is just connect them. Okay, and then come down. Alright, so let's see, 1, 2, 3, and then we'll just connect them. Down. 1, 2, 3. Okay, almost there. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'll just do 3. So down here. So it's very easy to make these kind of three-dimensional shapes. So then on this side, we're gonna extend here, and then we just kind of connect that. So here, curve, slant, slant, go in, and then the top one here, the corner, slant, down. And then lastly, for the brick lines, I'm just gonna add in 2 lines on each one. So for this one here, you can just kind of come straight down. So alternate. This one. And then for this one, let's see, in here. So you can just kind of come down. Just kind of break that up. And that is it for this X mark spray. Hope you guys like the way it turned out. And if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.